Welcome to SMS-Man. In this video, we'll show you how to get a virtual phone number for your Facebook account. While creating a Facebook account, you may wish to protect your personal phone number. Let us help you. SMS-Man offers virtual numbers for over 200 countries, fast, secure, and at the best prices online. Getting started with SMS-Man is simple. Here's how it works. Visit sms-man.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the email sent to you. Once your account is verified, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click the top-up button to add funds to your account. SMS-Man offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose what works best for you. Next, select the service as Facebook and pick the country for your virtual number. Click by SMS to purchase the number. Once the purchase is complete, the number will appear in the History tab in your dashboard. Next, head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the Facebook app. Once installed, open it and tap Create New Account at the bottom of the screen. On the Join Facebook screen, click Get Started. Enter your name, birthday, and gender. Then, input the virtual number you purchased from SMS-Man and click Next. Create a password for your account and choose whether or not to save your login information. Agree to Facebook's terms and policies to proceed. Next, go to the SMS-Man dashboard and click the Receive SMS button. Copy the confirmation code you receive and paste it into Facebook. Congratulations! Your Facebook account has been successfully created. SMS-Man is the go-to service for both ordinary users and professionals, providing seamless private registration for online platforms. And if you ever face any issues, our dedicated support team is always ready to assist, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Get started with SMS-Man today and enjoy fast, secure, and cost-effective virtual number solutions tailored to your needs.